Sister Peggy? Sister
Morning, Mash
Peggy?
Austin. How are you?
Sister Peggy?
What me for? Austin?
You not go cast your vote, Sister Peggy?
Not this time around, Austin. Yes, me have to go
You are
focus
going
on my
river?
2 pieces of clothes to wash.
Then Sister Peggy, why you choose me to go river for election there, Sister Peggy? Eh? Sister Peggy, you not think it is right for you to cast your vote, Sister Peggy?
Not this time around, Austin. Not this time
Sister
around.
Peggy, you not going good.
I am tired of
Sister
your
Peggy,
promises.
your MP have to come for you in our big vehicle. They come carry you go vote. You hurry up and
Tell
come
him
back
that
from
even if
river,
he
you
won't be
hear?
me, can't get me out of my house.
I don't care what you're saying. I not letting this election miss me. I have to go out, go vote. Although me a fire up on one cylinder, me can hardly walk because arthritis a kill me all over my body. But me still a scramble and see if me can reach down there, go vote. Because without my vote, I don't have any talk. So I have to go cast my vote. Yes, it is not easy, but me have to take my time and go on. I'm a dear mom, let me tell you something. From 1962, then say we gain independence. And from election, them the time they me a vote for the same party. The whole generation I vote for the same party. And me dear ma, me a 75-year-old. And not even water not coming at the community yet. As still spring and river, we have to go. But me don't even bother make it trouble me because water bill so dear them your days here. And with this go away river, go get little water. But me dear my mother like to see water coming at the community because me can hardly manage, you know. And sometimes me call my grandson fi go fi little water for me. And a pure attitude he give me cause them you nowadays speaking here a pure attitude they have. Sometimes all 2-3 days me no bathe cause me can't manage fi go down at the river. Because as you see me whole you know and me can hardly manage. And me have one pain cross round on my back here so because me can't even go up straight because the whole heap of hairs fi work on property. And so comes through me have a belly grass. I hate give me this a shape here in the body here. So me wouldn't mind the new one where I go take over can put little water in our community because you see, you see it no water no water but me dear me don't even want to talk me just a wait to see the result and to see if any change a go come before anything happen. Because mother love to see little water. And I know far from now, in the about 2 election are back. Yes, we get light. So me grateful I the other one them when it make me get light. But all and all they do is promise, 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 promise. One whole heap of promising. Eh? But we will see what go take place this election here. Mass Austin, we just a come back. Make me help down me load here. Ooh, I tired so till. Ooh, ooh. Well, I can tell you, Mass Austin, you could have care 40 MP councillor fi come take me out of me house fi go vote me nah left me yard today. Mass Austin, me nah left me yard today. Me Peggy nah
Peggy.
left me yard. Fi go
Peggy, and
cast
why you
no
quarrel,
vote at
Peggy?
all. Eh? That's the only time you see them come around fi come carry you. Time and time again, them pass me on the road and water them flash by me. Eh? When me have to walk church, huh? And go all about, go all a doctor, me no see them. Yes, me agree. Say them give little free medication down at the hospital. But sometimes it never makes sense because I whole day me have to sit down there and wait for me. Sometimes me down the thirst that kill me, hungry that kill me, feel wait for the freeness. So, Master Austin, I not leaving my yard to go do no farmer voting. Them have to come better than that, Master Austin. Every election you see them in them big vehicle to come carry you. Well, I am not going this election and I'm going to see who can take me out of my house and carry me. Them not doing nothing at all for me. Nothing. Me a 74-year-old and from me a vote till now. Me no see me profit from nothing from them. Nothing. Not even 2 foul. Not even 1 foul cube. 2 bag of cement. Nothing me no see. Every time they want me to vote. Me not voting this year. I am not voting. Oh. Let the younger generation them go and go vote. And them can run up and down and gyrate over politics. Me all know me can hardly move. And see, me have to still I wash out a bad pan and go a river. So what they do for me? Nothing at all. So them not do for me and me not do for them neither. Them not do for me and me not do for them. Make them go find somebody else vote. Then lucky at me. The only somebody me I try see if me can vote for you now in my whole stage. A Father God. And him alone look out for me. To make sure say me has something for eat and drink. If I never Father God, me don't know what would happen to me. Me not take up myself and go say me I cast no vote. Then lucky at me. Let them go from me.